So I am back. I am now in the kitchen. I'm going to make garlic bread today. I have all my ingredients here. I'll show you guys. I have my parsley and I am grating some cheese. This is mozzarella cheese, and I have my garlic here with a little bit of pepper because I don't have chili flakes, so I'll be using that instead. And I have my bread as well, so keep on watching to see how the garlic bread is going to turn out. And I forgot to show you, I have my butter too, so I'm gonna cut like 100 grams of the butter. This much. And the butter is still not soft. The butter has to be at room temperature, but mine is not at room temperature. I need to leave it to cool down. So I will wait a little bit for the butter to cool down, then we'll continue. And yeah, I forgot to introduce you to my cook, Alex. Say hi, Alex.
Hello, hi.
And Zina too. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright. So today Alex is making yam balls and kosai. Yau Alex zai mana kosai da yam balls ga kuma kunu za a dama. Zinatu wannan kunun naki yayi kauri sai kin ƙara ruwa. So this is what the mixture looks like. Babu time. Na yi melting butter na kaɗan. Zan saka parsley kenan a ciki. Then I'll take my bread and spread the butter. Just like that. Oh, it's a bit watery, but no worries. Put some mozzarella cheese on top. Like that. I hope you can see that. I'll zoom you in. Just like that. And cover that. And I'll press it down. I'm supposed to press it down before applying the butter on top. It is all well. This is what it looks like. I'll put this aside. I'll put this one too. I like to sprinkle a little bit of whole oregano, just a little bit on top, just like that. this is what it looks like. Okay, it's all done. So this is what my garlic bread sticks look like. What do you want to say? No? Busy eating?
I wish everyone Iftar Mubarak.
Oh, thank you. Look at my new plants popping. So I will taste our garlic bread.
That is just the name.
Oh my god, so yummy. Hello? Ata? Yeah. Tak habis ke table. Abdullah, Kai, calm down, calm down. Nan ne muka kawo ƙarshen vlog ɗin nan. Na gaji sosai and I am feeling very weak. So see my plant popping. Oh my god, I love it. This is going to be my new filming background without this chair. And I feel like I still need some stuff here. Maybe stick to the wall. Maybe a frame. Oh, I don't know. We'll just look around for some inspiration. And yeah. So for now we have our plant all set. Yeah, quarantine. Why not chicken gida ba dai ayap. Ni man after because I really had to go out. But I ended up going somewhere else. Tunda na riga na fita ba shikenan ba. Amma dai gaskiya ba na yawa. So please be safe and stay at home. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. What are you doing? Stop doing that. You're spoiling my video. And if you want to see more of our little family vlog, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.